Wagwan, no pun is that you guys. Today is December the 26th. You don't know Sting Boxing Night, the big talk, Amari versus Queen for the clash. Guys, I've been laughing so much. You have to watch this. RC Boss and Amari speaking in tongue took me out clean.
Two dirty bungle that belongs together, yeah, and that's what's up. I don't even know if that's real love. May very well be like a green card love. Oh please, yeah, yeah. What else you gotta say?
Do not in any war with nobody. If them come towards you and want to put it on a fight, well, you have to fight back because you don't want to look bad. But just go lyrically. But if you step physically, then you have to step physically. But go on a lyrical energy. When you touch the mic, all we want to hear is of you attack up big things, and that will work.
I don't think it's going to go like that.
Oh, it's going to go. Give us a sneak peek.
When Queenie says she'll lose, she'll go and fight me. Because she can't take losses.
All right. Do you have a one line where you want to share with women to see how vibrant you are?
I have many lines. You have dirty bungle, you have the whole shit. You get me? You have so many things. You know, a girl when he can mash up her life. But me have to make it big. It's many lines. It depends on what she come with. I gotta make sure you know say me effing legendary. The whole of the song them there, they all right,
listen, Amari, you have to say something like fucky cougar, drink Jew plum juice. You have to do something like that.
Me feel say it I gotta come raw than that.
Cougar, fucky young boy, coogie, something them root.
Oh, you're talking a parables.
Yeah, you have to touch.
But they do it things so still. Me have to come better than that.
You know something else?
Yeah, man, me have no secrets under my belt.
Amari, please, when you touch the mic, just call out home, call out everybody, and just work the stage. Lyrical.
What would you like to see, RT?
Oh.
You want me to speak tongues on stage? Soko bale, tuku balingri esene. Pasaka balingri o kopasha. Neke makala. Kuna malingri sene malingria na shuka malingri.
Malingri ne gurme da man gurke men derkaba. Queenie le het gurke pekasitia.
Nemai kukwa malaka balingri sene mele, tukuma malingri sene melingri ko balingri komene, nuko balingri sene mele. Falo tuko balingria.
Perché te seketa pa kurke peter ke stigre beko turke te Queenie le behet norke parke te siti crepi.
Tuko balingrio come tuko beliesen ke balingrio ko balingrio ko pasha.
Na ma kate se crepi po turke se ta parko pungre besiter ke maya.
No, Masai. No.
All right. Okay, well Amari saying that she's going and she's going to do her best, but one thing I said to the people, you know, Amari, a long time I watch Amari and I have to work with Amari. I can't go against Amari because Amari in the social media, like Amari to me is a co-worker. Yes, we know that she do her thing, yes, we criticize her in any way, but for me, you know, me and Amari in the game long before Queenie. Remember, me and Amari used to go at it, so it's big up to Queenie, but me just choose Amari because at the end of the day is Amari, my girl. No, Queenie, I do I think big up to the Queenie fans then, but Amari, I'm asking for Amari, I tell you this because anybody wants it. You are a winner. Even when it work out to be, when you reach up there and you thump in your face, you're a winner. Even when you reach up there and Queenie come, I say, we can't have blood, you're a winner. But I'm asking you, please make sure you wear your black buckle up boot with the woolly pop buckle lamp on it. Enough buckle, so when you're ready for put on the goody kick. Oh Lord, because people upon this who are listening, I am not
You know, say,
I am
you're
hold on,
really
I'm not
gifted.
causing problem. But I see a booming field. Everybody I look for cash, miss it bigger than cash, mama. I see ruffling. I am going in.
You know,
Amari.
say you really see how me dressing for real because I wear the black boots with the buckles for real.
Yes, then I boot MC in a face.
You really see the thing.
Me
You
ask this
really
from
see the
I'm not
thing.
going. I'm about it. Read all about it.
May I tell you? I hope the boot come out in the star.
I'm not read about it.
I hope the star show up the boot.
Yeah, you know, honestly, I can't wait for tomorrow. People who know going to roll. Sting is that thing that's going to be a sting way. None of them have it.
Me can't see that happening. The biggest talk in town. All days after Sting done, people will be still talking.
All right, Amari, before me go away, let me read that comment. Anybody want me to say anything because she hard to get into the comment room.